She back it up on the left side for the best ride. She give me the best 5 in the X5. Push seat up, feet up, work it to get the beat up. Composition right, do anything that you like. Sit back, relax, I will jive. So strap in, get ready for ride.
My girl, come sit up on the bike, no ride. Wind up your bumper, ride. Tired now, say you're pretty and you're fine. Walk out, get your back long time, alright then. Take your time and ride. Just ride, yeah, ride. Sure, ride your bumper, ride. Ride, ride.
You want another one? This is really big bad sound.
Wind up your body, bring it to me right, 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 right here. Wind up your body, bring it to me right, 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 right here. Wind up your body, bring it to me right here. She got the finest body right here. Shake up your booty, she fit in high.
Just pull up to me bumper, pull up to me bumper. Come in higher and that limousine and just bend me over. Pull up to me bumper, pop out your key and show me thing.
When me pull up to your bumper, pull up to your bumper. Cocky make you ball and make you scream. Then me bend you over, big fat machine with a clap extension magazine. When me see that fat pussy there, where you